Don't download InvestSMART app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the InvestSMART app, hold on for a moment. Most people assume it's a simple, beginner-friendly investing tool, but here's the surprising truth. It may not meet all your investing needs. InvestSMART markets itself as a robo-advisor that offers automated portfolio management, helping you invest in a mix of its and manage funds based on your risk profile. On the surface, it sounds perfect for hands-off investing, but the reality has some caveats. One major limitation is customization. You can't pick individual stocks or avoid certain sectors. So if you care about ethical investing, sustainability, or targeting specific industries, InvestSMART may not give you the flexibility you need. Fees are another key factor. While the platform charges a management fee that appears low, there are also underlying fund fees which can quietly reduce your returns over time. For example, even a 0.3% annual fee can eat away at compound growth, especially if you're investing over a decade or more. Tax optimization is another area where InvestSMART falls short. Unlike some premium robo-advisors, its tax loss harvesting options are limited. For investors who want to minimize taxes on capital gains, this is a significant drawback. On the positive side, InvestSMART is straightforward and beginner-friendly. It simplifies portfolio allocation, monitors your investments automatically, and provides basic performance reporting. But if you're looking for advanced tools, tax efficiency, or investment customization, this app may not be your best choice. In conclusion, don't download InvestSMART app if you expect full control, tax optimization, or the ability to customize your portfolio. It's best for beginners who want a simple, automated investing experience and are okay with some limitations. Understanding these trade-offs will help you make an informed decision and avoid surprises that could impact your long-term financial goals.